Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Jasveer with me today, one of our Parameter campus students. Eight each, not even eight each, 3, 9, 90 writing, 90 speaking, 89 listening, and 83 reading, 87 overall. Congratulations, Jasveer ji. Very well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Jasveer, I remember I met you when you came for the first time. You told me how you were struggling in speaking and listening, and I told you, don't worry about speaking. I've got your speaking. Speaking will fix it. What do you think you were missing out in speaking, and how did you turn it into a perfect 90?
So first of all, I think I was missing speaking the most of section. It the speak goes to listening and reading as well.
Yep.
Speaking was very poor. I
Mm-hmm.
was fluent, but pronunciation was not good. So I
Mm.
was speaking very fast
Yep.
and that and spending much time on the described image as well.
Yes. Correct.
And
Correct.
speed
Correct.
sentence was very poor. I was
That's
not getting good marks in speaking. Yeah.
That's 100% correct. I remember when Jasveer came, he was like most of the students nowadays too. He was trying to speak too fast. That's where I told him that if you're speaking too fast, that is not something which will give you the scores. It's more about speaking clearly and speaking in a flow. We did not increase, rather than that, normally what we ask students is to speak fast. But in his case, he was very fast. We asked him to speak a bit slow, and result is in front of us, a perfect 90. Guys, very important, if you're missing out in speaking, you need to understand what the computer, what the system is actually looking for. If you understand that, you will be 120% ready and go. You can go and smash your test in the very first go. Jasveer, you have attended the lab sessions, right? How important are lab sessions? How important is it to practice in the lab as compared to practicing at home?
It is very important because we can't spend every day 3 hours for the
Hmm.
practice, but
Hmm.
in lab we can spend at least 3 to 4 hours every day.
Yep.
Because I was trying to get 8 each from like last 1 year. I attempted
Hmm.
23 times, which I
23
didn't get.
times.
Yeah, I got result in 23 times 8 each.
But
Spent too
that's a
much time.
very big achievement, I'll say. it's
Yeah,
it takes a lot of courage to go and take the exam again and again, because if I've talked about myself, if I fail something 2 or 3 times, I feel like giving up, right? Many students feel like giving up, but you're very brave, you're very courageous, you have a lot of courage, and that is why you are successful today, why you did not stop even after 23 unsuccessful attempts. This will tell us something more, how, what kept you going on after every unsuccessful attempt.
because I was lacking sometimes 5 marks, 7 marks every time. That's why, because I was getting enough marks in writing and reading, but lacking score in speaking and listening. So I thought maybe next time I get it. Maybe exam is easy, I get it, but no, without practice, there's nothing.
That's, but what kept you going on? How did you motivate yourself?
Because I get if I got 20 points for the PR. That's what is in my mind.
That's right.
That's
So
why.
you had a
Yeah,
goal in your mind that, yes, doesn't matter
yeah,
what happens, I have to achieve it.
yes, sir.
That's 100% correct. The sweet last thing, you have taken a number of mock tests as well. How important and how helpful are mock tests?
Really, they are very helpful as well because we get the feedback in lab classes. The
Hmm.
tutor, they are very good. They give you the right feedback. If you're speaking slow, fast, they tell you everything.
Hmm.
They're really important as well.
That's 100% correct, guys. What I believe why Jasveer has got his desired score, he was regular in the lab. He used to ask for feedback. He has taken a number of mock tests, and more than that, he had the courage. He was brave enough. Even after being unsuccessful a few times, he never gave up. He always showed up. He was practicing regularly, and he took the exam again and again, and has got his desired score. Jasveer, any final advice? Because many students, probably a few of your friends as well, when they do not get their desired score in 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts, they give up. Any advice for them, please?
But I think first of all, they don't give enough time for the practice. I think it's better give some time to the practice because I think I got my result in first time after
Hmm.
joining the language academy. I gave
Yeah,
my test and I get the score in first attempt after
correct.
joining. That's good. See, they
That
have to practice and
that
get the feedback as well, proper feedback. Yeah.
that's 100% correct, guys. 23 attempts versus one attempt. The difference is feedback and practice. As long
Yes, sir.
as you are practicing, but you're not really sure, you do not know what mistakes you are making, what areas you're missing out on, no use. You have to make sure you practice, you get the feedback, you work on your mistakes, on your weakness, turn your weakness into your strength, go and smash your test, and claim 20 points towards your permanent residency. Congratulations and all the very best, Jasveer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Guys, remember this thing. If Jasveer has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Just be consistent, practice, ask for feedback, take mock test, and go and smash your PT test in the very first go. Varun from Language Academy, make sure you keep on practicing. Till then, take care and stay safe. I'll see you very soon.